Yo. Yo. Morning, Junit. Ahmed. AHR Capital. What's up, my brother? How are you, man? Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Another day, another dollar. Guts, my fucking boy. Guts is a new homie, guys. Welcome into the team. Welcome, Guts, to the team. What's up, Wind? Joshy, what's up, my brother? Everyone on TikTok, what's up? What's up? Ahmed, what's up, my brother? Yusuf, what's up? Everyone coming through. Where's my hell? Okay, that was weird. Let's see, where's my indicators? Morning, good morning. Buys for today. Bullish. I'm bullish. Think we can maybe get the all-time highs today. Maybe tomorrow. But at this point, we've inverted the daily and everything. Yeah, I think we've had the changes data delivery. Whether we like come into a discount of yesterday's range and then go higher, or we just go higher and then see a retracement later on next week maybe. Overall, higher time frame bias is definitely bullish towards all-time highs now. Where do you live, bro? Toronto. Congratulations on 2K subs. Appreciate you. Big appreciate you. Up. You still bullish? I don't want to retrace. I mean, yeah, I would love for it to retrace. But we're just way closer to all-time highs. It's been bullish order flow the entire day. So I think we probably just go there. So if we can get, like what I'd be looking for today is if we can maybe take out some sell side, maybe even Asia lows, um, all that stuff, then maybe we can get a nice long. Maybe it's just gonna be a 930 Judas. We have an open 15-minute fair value gap, an open 30-minute, open hourly. So we definitely can manipulate lower and then look for like internal to external or something. Let's get 1 to 30 RR today. That's what I'm saying, bro. Let's risk 50 and make 17,000. Who's with me? Yep, I 100% think today will be choppy. And I will be most likely only trading the eval. Speaking of the eval, open it up. The only reason it may not be, now this never really happens. It's pretty rare because usually FOMC is on Wednesday, right? So FOMC is usually Wednesday, but today it's on Thursday. So we actually have unemployment claims. But we have the full FOMC. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be choppy. It's I don't even think, I'm like 99% sure it's gonna be choppy. I'm not gonna be trading on my fundage today, just on the eval. If you do trade on the funded, keep it tight. Don't expect like a large move. Just keep your profits tight, you know? Maybe a fixed 2-to-1 or something. What's up, Jose? Because what's probably, I mean, yo, large overnight move. This is like red flag, bro. Like large overnight move, right? And then you also have FOMC in the afternoon. That's kind of like 2 red flags that we're gonna get a seek and destroy here. I wouldn't be surprised if 9:30 has a nice move. If 9:30 maybe has like a nice move down or something, and then we just go into consolidation. And then maybe lunch at like 11 or 12 or 1, you'll start seeing it some better price action. Now I'm busy today. You think AMP and a chop? I think there's a very good chance, yeah. Large overnight move and FOMC tomorrow, like there's a pretty good chance it just chops. Hey, that's really good, bro. Do it. Why not? If you like it, make me admin, please. I think for my YouTube chat, I'm gonna have to do like an application or something for an admin. I need to at least build some type of relationship with my YouTube mods, someone I can trust. So join the Discord, send me a DM if you want. But YouTube's kind of like the main one. But I don't have any yet, so I definitely do. I need to get on that. I definitely need to get on that because I don't have any. Okay, we got. Yeah, what am I expecting? I feel like this low right here for sure will get taken. Yeah. I think we can come into here. I need to change my name in my profile. Yeah, if you're gonna be my mod, I mean that would be nice. You know, I don't know if satisfying balls has that ring to it, you know? For a YouTube moderator. But I mean we're not that big. It's not that big of a deal right now. I wanna see this. Ready? I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna draw it out. I think this is gonna happen. $9.30. Say hi. Hi. Moist critical. If he swag. What? Everyone on TikTok, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright. 8 minutes from 9:30 open, we'll see what happens. I definitely think we move lower. If we put in relative equal highs and then displace lower aggressively, like we could look for a reversal, but like I said, keep it very tight. In my opinion, you should keep it very tight. You'll see what I mean. It's most likely going to start chopping, and you'll understand. A good learning day for everybody. Everyone should be in front of the charts. No cap. Oh shit, Koala. Koala, what the fuck did you trade, bro? It's been like 2 minutes. And there it is, Koala. That's it, bro. Yep, we're good for now. We're good for now. The funders they're at minus 800, 850. We're slowly getting out of there. Not bad. Yeah, send me your chart. You want me to see your chart? I'm almost done eating. That's actually a really good trade, bro. That is actually a really good trade. You literally took the perfect you took the OB. I mean your OTE leg is wrong, but that's fine. You took the OB, the inversion. That is a really good entry, bro. Nice. It's a good thing you TP'd, bro. Let's have some fun. We're already starting to dump. What did you do wrong? Your OTE leg, your Fibonacci, the retracement tool should be like this. Because this is your leg. Then you wait for the retracement. You hit a discount right there. This is beautiful. Yeah, I mean, yo, not my style, but definitely valid, you know? Definitely valid. You can put your stop loss here. Valid, valid, definitely valid. You know, you're just taking the small continuation. What type of entry confirmation do I need to enter from a 4 hour time and then displacement leaving the 4 hour? That's all. That's all I need. I want to see it reject off the 4 hour. SMT. Good luck, Guts. I hope this shit dumps right at 9:30 for you, bro. Can you check gold? Yeah, I can check gold for you, bro. If it's at all-time highs, though, it's not going to be perfect. That's exactly what we said yesterday. I would just aim for previous day equilibrium. So 50% of yesterday, aim for it. Look at the 15. Oh, this is such a bad chart. Carvana? Isn't that a stock? I mean, yo, people are typing things they want me to look at. Sure. I owned Carvana at one point in my life. I mean, it looks really good. If you plan to hold it, it's not bad. You trade gold? Nah, not really. Carvana doesn't look bad. Either if they had good financials, the last 3 earnings was good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. You could probably maybe see higher. I wouldn't aim for much more though. Someone said XRP. Sure, I'll do XRP as well. Nah, this is ass. Don't even bother with this shit, bro. Pick something else. Do I have Dogecoin? No, I sold all my crypto. I wouldn't even bother with crypto. I wouldn't even bother with That one, XRP. This could probably go a little bit higher by the next dip. This looks pretty good actually. Yeah, probably something like this. I want to see a W from today. So now I have Solana. Oh, actually, I do have Solana. I used to own XRP, bro, but like just a waste of time. Like it just doesn't move, bro. It just don't move. All right, let's see if we took out the sell. Oh, it's still 929. So your bias for NQ. I think for now we'll probably take out this sell side, and then from there probably just go into consolidation. I mean, my higher time frame bias is bullish for sure. Definitely think we can take all-time highs. Should be pretty easy target in my opinion. They've already shown that manipulation upside. Like I don't see why we wouldn't end up taking all-time highs. Not today necessarily, but we could definitely get into there. What's up, Money Glitch? What's up, Sing? Oh, Elon Musk and Trump firing Gary Gensler. Yeah, no idea what you're saying right now, bro. But definitely think we can get all-time highs. And for now, I'm looking at the sell side. If we do take out the sell side, that'll be where I take my long from. If we don't take out the sell side, it'll be hard to catch a nice long. Someone said, which tool are you using? What do you mean, which tool? Like this? This is TradingView. Someone said, I want to get into trading. Is there a mobile app I can use? There's many mobile apps. I would start by getting TradingView. It's free. And it'll probably dump. SL, yeah, it just pumps right away. Like, dead ass, bro, this could literally be the low. It might not even come out, like, on a day like this, it's so hard to predict. If that's what you mean by which tool, then yeah, I'm using TradingView. Are you profitable? If you looked at my last 1 to 200 trades, yeah. But it's been a tough last couple of weeks, so I'm now 1.6. Call it, so is it past or almost? This could be a 930 Judas. Like, we could trade this. Yo, am I still on YouTube live? I just got a notification saying, like, yo, if we get a breaker here with a fair value gap, I'll go short. I'll go short. The sub B bested. Yeah, immediate rebalance. I got a notification saying your live contains themes that may find uncomfortable and has been restricted. Reason violates community guidelines. Well, who reported me, bro? You liars. Right. I got strike. It is what it is. What's good, doing live and watching myself, but daily he said to check you out. Appreciate you, Ronan. What's up, my brother? Myself's the homie, bro. Don't get another one, bro. I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong, bro. They just strike me, bro. They just strike me straight up. I wonder if we just run all the way to all-time highs, bro. Like, it's literally possible. That's what's funny. I'm posting it today. Now I'm posting it today. Now this right after this live stream, I'm gonna finish editing and upload it. It's gonna be my silver bullet strategy. It's gonna be my silver bullet. I use it way too much. So I should really post a video on it. We have a large org. What is the minimum amount of money I need to trade index futures, live funds? Depending on the broker, obviously. You can trade one micro NASDAQ with like $100, but the thing is, you would get, like, if you lose a certain amount, so let's say you enter a trade one micro, and then you go down like 40 or 60 on the trade, like they'll just liquidate your account, you know? You don't want to get that call where they're we're locking your account. You're hitting that like threshold. Should I hold till all-time highs, bro? You could, bro. It's a reach, but you definitely could. If you're on a live swing trade account, I would, but if you're day trading, then I wouldn't. You're in bias. Good luck, guts. Good luck, brother. It's unfunded. I wouldn't personally, because that's just not how I trade, but you could. You hit -1 of this. Like I would want to see it. Now I'm not saying I think it's gonna do this. I'm just saying this is what I would want to see. I would want to see it come form the bearish breaker, take out the sell side, 50% org, all that stuff, and then maybe go higher. Because we've now accumulated here. You are break even on the fund after yesterday? No. We're still in drawdown, bro. Yesterday we were still 1-1. Although the win was a lot better than the loss. Like we were up to, how much revenue do you generate from live, bro? Like $2 a day, maybe. Like not much. What's the best broker? It depends where you live and what you're trying to trade. You trying to trade futures? This could be a really good trade right here if we inverse this. How do the buy buttons like keep going away? All right. Yeah, it's not. I'm only trading on eval today. Abe, how you fix your sell when you target prices reach? Is this on paper? This is an eval. I'm not trading on my funded today. Because it's pre FOMC, so I would just be breaking a strict rule. You know, damn, that shit reversed, huh? I know you closed the long there, and then it wicked on your ass. We have an SMT here. I wonder if it hold. So this is eval. Yeah, I'm not trading the funded today. Not trading the funded accounts today. We'll be trading them tomorrow. Probably be looking for shorts tomorrow. Yeah, I can look at this way. Oh my god, that's so clean. That is very clean, bro. So is it past now? If we inverse this fair value gap, I'll go short. What's up, Phil? You might need to lose some. It's not lose some. You'd have to make some. Not lose. You'd have to make a little bit extra. It'll be whatever your best trade or your best day was, that amount, like subtracted from 3,000. So if you made a trade with 1,600, you probably need to make an extra 100. Because it can be 50% quala. So if you made 3,000 total, and you took a trade that's 1,600, see that's 100 more than 50%. So you'd have to make another 100, so that way in total you made 3,100. Therefore, it's not 30% anymore. How long have you been trading? It's been about a year. Well, actually, trading, I started trading January, so 11 months. I started learning and everything like 14 months ago. ES is just in chop. Nasdaq will probably go in chop, but I don't mind shorting on the eval account. I don't mind. Myself long right here. Good shit, myself. Yeah, myself like a lot more. I don't want to say simple, but like he like what's more simple like he flows with it, you know. Like I even though I think it's gonna go up here, it's just not me. Like I don't take it long here, you know. It's just not my style. But like he's kind of like straightforward. Like oh he's like I think it's gonna go up here. I'm gonna take this type shit. You know. He's good at catching trades like this. Not the best conditions. Mysol referred to your propulsion block setup. Could you explain? Seems powerful. Mysol was in? Yeah, Mysol, I love Mysol, bro. He's a brother. My propulsion block setup? My propulsion block or mitigation breaker? This is the propulsion block setup right here. This is an order block. So, clear some of these things up. What's up, connected? A mitigation breaker. That's my best setup, bro. Still hasn't failed me to this day. Anyways, this is an order block right here. This is an order block because it took out liquidity and it has a fair value gap overlapping. So that fair value gap is overlapping. It also tapped into a fair value gap. And it down close candles, took out liquidity, and then got displaced. That's your order block. Boom, tapped. This candle right here is a propulsion block. Because see, this candle came into the order block and then now it acted as its own order block. So that's your propulsion block. So if you missed the original order block, you can take a trade, a continuation trade like this, you know? And then same thing right here. So this order block tapped into this order block, came down. It has into a fair value gap. That's a part of it. It has the fair value gap. And then it got closed over. So that's your order block. A propulsion block right there. It is IOB, institutional order block. Brother, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think you know what an institutional order block is. This was your first entry? It's a good entry. A lot of people talk about that institutional candle. I don't think they know what they're talking about. Dubai. I did yesterday. I've never heard ICT talk about institutional order blocks. I've only heard him talk about how people talk about them and don't know what the hell they're saying. So I feel like someone out there taught them, thinking like, "Oh, this is an institutional candle or something," but like they don't really know what the fuck they're saying, bro. I did yesterday 1.47. Today my balance was 2.8. So 1.27. Yeah, I think you can make. Yeah, you'd have to wait till tomorrow, Quala. You'd have to wait till tomorrow because you already made 1,400 and you need more than 100. I mean, it's possible he did teach it. 'Cause I've heard him talk about institutional order blocks. Just I've never heard him like actually give a solid definition. But I have heard him talk about like how people refer to them and don't know what the hell they're saying. I'm not saying you don't know CD trades. I'm just saying I've heard ICT say that. Like to me, this is just a clean propulsion block. Straight up textbook propulsion block. ICT PD ray, taught many times. Let's fucking go, Koala. Well, closer and closer to all-time highs. We're gonna be waiting. Gotta finish my sandwich here, bro. The big W, Koala. Just make sure, Koala, now that you need so little, just take like one scalp. But make that your model, bro. Fuck it. I like this red box. Okay. See what we get here. I think I like this as a potential short. Maybe I'll wait for a breaker. Trying to pick the top here. Maybe if we invert the 5. Paula, it sounds like to me you like to scalp. Just make your model simple. Just be like step 1. Like you have a clear idea where price can go in the next like 1 to 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Put a timer on it, 10 minutes. Just say like drawing liquidity for the next 5 to 10 minutes or 50, however long you plan on holding. Right, that's step 1. Step 2. Now look for an entry. Just be like step 2. Once I know where it is, just look for an entry model. Whether it's OTE, the 0.62 fib with a fair value gap, or a fair value gap and then an inversion or inversion, like whatever entry model you want. Just do it like that. It doesn't have to be like a whole complex like all that. It can just be like, I think price is gonna go here within the next 5 to 10 minutes or 1 to 10 minutes. So then look for a trade supporting that. I like the relative equal lows here. And I like the sell side here. Yeah, just do that. Just say look for 2 confluences supporting and take the trade. Figure out how much you want to risk. Figure out all that stuff. This price action actually looks pretty good. This price action looks pretty good. Forget the 5-minute inversion. I'll probably go short. Looks like I'm spamming. No one's even typing. Bro, stop spamming me, bro. Nah, I'm joking. Yeah, not much people are typing. Looks like a pretty good short. But like if I shorted this, maybe did it like this. Not bad. Stop loss doesn't make sense though. It would need to cover up here. Nah, not yet. Not for me at least. Maybe if ES leaves this fair value gap. I wouldn't do a call. I would just wait, bro. Try to get a payout first. We took out buy side in the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, I'm still bullish. I think we can get a move into discount here. It's only something I would trade on my eval though, not on the funded. If I trade the funded, I'm gonna regret it, bro. I'm gonna close that shit. So Pablo, I think we tapped into 3-minute 2. I like how the 3-minute looks. We can probably get something like this. If this starts to displace lower. We'd have to get this like 1-minute kind of like order block. If we close below here, yeah, I'll go short. Yeah, wait for a close under. I'll take this on the eval. We closed below on the 1-minute though. We didn't close below, it's just a little too weak. Yeah, I'm looking for a pullback long, but on the eval here, we'll take the short down, and then if it forms, we'll take the short down, and then we'll look for it long up. Because we can pass in one day with my funded futures, so. But no inversion there. We wait. 950 macro. So maybe we get SMT at the highs. If we reject from here, like I'll go short for sure. Oh, no SMT. What is that? I mean, oh, we tapped into the 2, 3, 2. Give me one sec, Quavo. How was that the 2? Oh, it's 2 minutes from each. We did tap into that little volume imbalance. No, I said potential SMT. Or did I say SMT? I don't know. I'm waiting because there could be one here at the highs. I'm going to look. If we get a 3-minute OB here, or if it looks like we're going to form a 3-minute OB. Or if we form a 1-minute fair value gap, leaving this range or something. If not, then we wait for a breaker. If we get breaker mitigation here, that'd be A plus entry. It could also just be super choppy. Always remember, it could be super choppy. I'll look at your thing now, Koala. Yeah, bro, that's really good, bro. That is really good. It seems like you're getting that shit down, you know? What's up, Sarvan? How would you find targets when you're passing all-time highs? I would, if I was for some reason bullish on a day where it's all-time highs, I would just use standard deviations of the daily manipulation leg. And if you don't have a manipulation leg lower, then it's just a really bad trade. There's your SMT. See if the SMT holds. Like if this fair value gap holds and we move lower, like that's a good short. But it doesn't look like it's going to. But if it does, then that's a good short. I'll short that. I would short that for sure. I'll on the eval. Target those equal lows. Till the market open, New York open. Nice, bro. We'd have to form the OB here, and I'll just take this. Like, there's no model. This just trade on the eval. Mitigation breaker. Oh, that'd be such a nice mitigation breaker too. Am I still live right now? Someone go in his chat, tell him. Gatie says mitigation breaker potentially. YM had a nice reversal already? Or did they ever do this down? Oh, that's so good when they do this down like that. Clean. Clean, clean, very clean. Yeah, look at that wick. I don't know. I don't fuck with that wick. Need a closure. It could have been nice there if we got the closure, but you ain't trading cause news? Yeah, I'm only trading the eval, not on the funded. What would you recommend trading on? Depends what you're trading, brother. Depends what you're trading. What are you trading? Forex? Futures? Should we go on like crude oil or some shit? Mmm. It looks good. Maybe we get a nice long here. Because we haven't entered the fair value gap or taken out that buy side. Risk reward is so bad though. Like literally no point. Can't even do anything with this shit. What about gold futures? That's even worse. Yeah, we hit the rejection block. It's over. It's gonna go, yeah. And like, there's no point in hopping in on this long. I could just take this fucking long, but like, that point, just gambling, hoping it's gonna go up. I'd rather wait. No, mini is not, bro. Same. It'll be the same. So 21214. Micro is 21214. Trading at the same level. Taking trades this week? Yeah, we took a couple this week. I think 2 or 3. On the week so far, we're up, I think. But we're still down overall from October. It's just too high. I know. I mean, this was an opportunity. But short now? Nah. 930's got to set the stage, and it really hasn't. I took a lot of bad setups, bro. So you know what? How about that? I took a lot of bad setups, and I got chopped up because of the elections. Do order blocks work with FUGs? For an order block to truly be valid, it needs to be overlapping with a fair value gap. ICT's words, not mine. Don't judge me for saying. Good shit connected. Proud of you, bro. This week had some pretty good price action, yeah. So what's good, Dragon? This is like impossible price action, to be honest. I can't trade any of this. Maybe 10 a.m. gives some clarity. I have beta adjust on. I genuinely think, when can I know if I'm ready for full-time trading? Great question, bro. The only way you're gonna know is when you feel ready. There is no other way until you feel it, you know? I felt like I was pretty ready early on. Did I regret starting earlier? No. I felt I was ready. What you can do, Rafe, is if you're planning to do a prop firm challenge account, right? You want to know, are you gonna pass? Yeah, good call on that. If you're thinking, oh, am I gonna pass or whatever? Well, then just ask yourself, or just do a challenge. You know, self-taught. No, I learned from ICT on YouTube, so I don't know if that counts as self-taught or I learned from someone on YouTube. You never really feel ready. Well, I felt pretty ready. I felt like, you know, I passed the challenge on my own, and then I passed it on paper. So then I was like, yeah, let me just buy a real challenge. And then you learn everything about psychology, about yourself. What's up? Good morning. You heard of Johnny? No, I don't know Johnny, bro. I don't know no Johnny. We can look for 10 a.m. I'm up trading futures right now too. That's good. That's good. Futures is definitely where it's at. Futures is definitely where it's at. People still ask me, should I trade Forex or you're looking at micro gold futures? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we already talked about gold today. Previous day equilibrium is what I would target. We're almost there. 10 points. It looks pretty good. I mean, if you took a long, you definitely were up today, you know. I wouldn't be able to short this. Finding a continuation, like I'd have to wait till 10 maybe. It's hard to short something like this. So it's so high up already. But like maybe if we had some sell side sweep, you could take a long. It'll be something like this. Maybe. Like if this happened, I'm saying, then I would say like it's probably a good trade for me. Me personally. Yeah, the psychology will beat your ass. Bro, you could do so much. Bro, like I know. Do you use Elgato? Nah, bro, I just use OBS. I know so many people ask me about like different concepts or whatever. Nah, I don't wait for SMT. I don't care about SMT that much. Um, so many people ask me about like, oh, this concept, and which is good. Learn all the concepts, get your model down, right? But you're gonna start trading eventually. You're gonna realize that concept shit does not matter, and all that really matters is, do you know yourself as a trader? Like, do you know? Like, let me give you guys an example, bro. I learned this about myself. When I'm on a losing streak, I lose confidence. I start not taking trades that I'm supposed to be taking. You know, I become too patient. That's something that like that's important, bro. I can know so much, but the fact that I become too patient when I'm on like a couple losses, that's not good, you know? That's something that like no concept is gonna fix. And that could like make or break a trader, you know? Nah, no trades yet. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. Speaking of 10 a.m. actually. We could maybe find a long here. Obviously, yeah. What works for you, that's another thing. What works for you is not gonna work for somebody else. You're gonna have to figure it out. Like in my opinion, learn what you're gonna learn, and then you gotta figure out like what's gonna actually you're gonna be able to execute, you know? So far, I like this move down. Can I use OBS on my MacBook? Yeah, they have. It depends what year it is, but you can use OBS on a MacBook. Yeah. Let's go, Trevor. It's not low enough, bro. This needs to go lower if I'm gonna. We tapped the 2 minute. We didn't even get to the mitigation block. We didn't get to the 3. We didn't get. I'm gonna wait a little longer. Maybe we can get something like this, and then we can take the long. It's afternoon here in South Africa. What's the best profit from trading NQ and ES? In my opinion, number 1 is Top Step. Number 2 is My Funded Futures, and number 3 is Apex. In my opinion, if you wanted just one account and you really wanted to just try for the first time ever, then I would just get one My Funded Futures starter account. But if you're planning to make the shift and start trading and get multiple accounts, copy trade them, I would just go with Top Step, bro. You see my message? Probably. But yeah, it just kind of got lost in the sauce. So you said I clipped my entry chart using SL and entry. Didn't even have an SL. I clipped my entry chart. I didn't even have any stop loss. Funded next. Funded trades is the cheapest one. Do you have or try to lead trader funding? I haven't, no, but I know people who have. This would be perfect. Oh shit. Oh shit. I need to see a leg lower. Have you ever used Webull? I signed up with Webull, but then I never really got to using their stuff. I kind of just stopped. I don't know. They're not bad for futures, but there's definitely better out there in my opinion. Just like smoother executions and a nicer platform and all that. Someone said, "What if you enter a support resistance level that also works as smart money POI? Are you then also liquidity?" What you're saying doesn't really make sense because, I mean, the whole point of smart money POI is fading support and resistance, so it doesn't really make sense. You know, that really makes sense. It's like kind of one or the other. You can't use both unless you're using a rejection block, because the rejection block is probably the one PD ray where you would expect to be acting as like a resistance, like a typical resistance level. I can't believe that's as low as the leg got, bro. Maybe a reversal from the rejection block on the daily, but accumulation. Sorry, reversal. Original consolidation. Sorry, accumulation. We could get a reversal here. It's definitely possible. If we get something nice here, like I wouldn't mind going for a reversal. Fuck it, try to pick the top. And did it ever happen to you that market uses your stop loss as your entry? It's because quality. You probably left the buy stop or sell stop. You never cleared it, right? You left it there after TP. It's an order. Like it's an entry order, you know? That's how it would be. My funded futures is cheapest, yeah. It's not bad. I wouldn't mind looking for a reversal from here. The daily rejection block. Kind of slow. I mean, this isn't slow. It is very one-sided, but I wouldn't say slow. I wouldn't say slow. Appreciate the follows, brother. Mm-hmm. You do this for a living? I don't make enough money off of it yet to say it's like for a living, but I do this every single day. You catch anything? Nope. I'll look for potential reversal from the daily rejection block, but I'll leave it at that. I hit my stop loss. So there's a high. I don't even know what you mean by resistance or support level. Like, I don't even know what that means. Like, how do you even identify that? No trades yet. No trades yet. I'm using funded accounts, my brother. Maybe because your stop loss had more. Yeah, exactly. Your stop loss had more. PA giving nothing. So yeah, FOMC morning makes sense. I'm only on the eval for today, not on the funded, so I don't want to be trading the funded today. We don't really got time to be trading days like this. Like we got to make sure every trade counts. So we're only. I think we tapped it to a 3 minute, 2 minute. If we probably go up here, could even scalp this for freaking 10 points, but no point. But I was thinking that I should just start to like everything else. I'll probably give you not surprising. There's too many things to look at. What do you think? It's a great idea, bro. Yeah, show me. Show me. Gold's probably gonna keep going up, but it's gonna be really hard to find a good trade because just of the market structure right now. It's already too high. So unless you wait for a sell side sweep, like I already marked this shit out. Someone said micro gold futures. Yeah, I mean it kind of went down, but like barely. I was thinking it's gonna come here and then continue higher, but it's just going higher. Like, there's no way to get in on this without trusting that it could retrace, in my opinion. On my last $300 risk on my eval. Is it a top step eval, Trevor? Appreciate the follows, guys, on TikTok. We did 1,000 points yesterday? What you talking about, boys? 600 points, man. You guys are liar. This guy's a fucking liar. Yeah, we might have a really nice TGIF set up tomorrow, though. Like, I'm ready for that shit. I am ready for a nice TGIF, bro. Marcelo, I get what you're saying, brother. But what do you even mean by resistance or support? Like what? How do you mark that out on your chart? How do you know it's resistance or support? Like, what does that even mean? Boring, Marcus said. Yeah, nah, it's pretty boring. Like, you could have got in on this, but I wouldn't have been able to trust it. Oh yeah, FTMO, you can't get it South Africa. Yes, yes, yes. Well, 300 left, bro. The way I see it, you got $300 trades, bro. Make it happen. You know, make it happen, brother, man. I mean, I would expect lower prices, but highs are resistance, lows. Highs are resistance, lows are support. I guess. Is that how it is? Yeah, I don't know. So if that's true, then you're asking me the nearest support, or let's say the nearest low, then you got a FEG near a high, and the candle closes at FEG but touches the high. Informs of liquidity support, which is supposed to be a valid trade. Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. You're trying to mix support and resistance. It just doesn't make sense. Just pick one. If you don't believe in ICT's concepts, that's okay. Just trade your support and resistance levels. It makes no sense to try to put them together. It's like they're just opposites. Everybody knows that resistance support levels created when they're equal highs. Like you're just Do you get what I'm saying, bro? Like just pick one. I wouldn't try to combine. If you think price is gonna reject because it's a resistance level, and then you want to enter on a fair value gap, sure, that's fine. The way I see it is I'm waiting for a liquidity sweep. I'm not waiting for a resistance level to get tapped. Like, yes, they're pretty similar, but this 10 a.m. active support, no, I want to see it reverse from here. So basically, if you're bearish, which I'm not even bearish to be honest, like I'm really not, but I'm gonna look for a short on the eval. But if I'm bearish, I want to see it go above here and then come back below, because that would basically tell me that this candle right here on the hourly chart is flipping. So right now it's bullish, but if we can get below 10 a.m., that's like kind of a confirmation or a confluence that this could flip to like a down close candle, like a red candle. For me, it's black, but if that makes sense. But first, we have to touch this level right here, the daily rejection block. 2,800. It's really hard to predict all-time highs. We went open low. Yeah, you're right. We went open low, so it could not. But in the grand scheme of things, like, look, that's on the 1 minute chart. Like, we went a little bit lower, but we didn't really hit any key level, right? So it's not like, oh, we framed the reversal off of this 1 minute low. Now, obviously, it's possible. It just keeps going up. But now, like, we opened, you can view this as accumulation, and we've only went up, and we just hit that daily rejection block. And I'm not saying we're gonna reverse from here, but I'm willing to try a short. Oh, someone sent a GG, 10 GGs, or is that? Oh shit! Someone sent a GG. Did they catch a dub or something? Phil, did you catch a dub? You're long from the 915 version. You said that because I'd be doing the same shit, bro. If I was you, that's just my opinion. Obviously, you trust yourself and shit. I mean, yo, order flow's been just so fucking bullish, bro. You know, even if we did go lower, I'd only expect. I mean, I don't know. It looks like a nice buy model. Smart money reversal here. Like, I'm gonna try it. It looks like a sell model, but it's not. Like, I wouldn't expect the short here. Like, I wouldn't be like, yeah, it's really. It looks like it's gonna reverse. Like, nah, bro. That shit is just so bullish, you know. But you know, if we get a breaker, I'll take a short. We'll on the eval, yeah, we'll do it. Cristiano gets you back. Turtle soup is a thing. Inverse the first bullish. Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, we marked that out. It was here, right? 932. They teasing the shorts right now. I think they just want to keep pumping it, you know. But we'll see. We hit the daily rejection block. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Man, if we get a bearish fair value gap here, like classic 2022. Yo, all I know, man, like 2022 just doesn't form like it used to, bro. That shit used to form all the time, bro. It just doesn't form like it used to. A breaker would be nice. What's 2022? 22 is liquidity sweep, market structure shift, fair value gap from 8:30 to 10, 8:30 to 11. There is Tau setups. Obviously cautious about this 5. I mean, if we got the closure below, I don't know if I can trust this fair value gap. If we got the closure below, go for it. I'll take it here. All right. Fuck it. We're in on the evals. Fuck it. Fuck it. We're in on the evals, boy. MySo raid. We just entered shorts on the evals. It's 5-minute fair value gap right under us. I think we just put an SMT there. Yeah. Got you. All right, we're in short on the eval. Let's see how this goes. Looking for a smart money reversal here. MySo said hi. What's up, MySo? You're in the same trade? Good luck to us, brother. You Pakistani? Nah, bro. I'm Arab. Tap the 1 minute there. I don't want to see an immediate order block right here. Trying to catch a reversal is risky, but let's see. 50% is fair value gap. I'd want to see that get respected. What's up, FKS? How are you, brother? Let's get a W for TikTok. Yeah, we'll see. But look at the other brokers. Wise NQ made a new all-time highs. Are you looking at NQ or are you looking at like NAS 100 or something? I like my stop loss placement. Yeah, see, NAS 100 is different. It's a different asset. You're trading the CFD. That just went quiet. Everyone managing trades now. And we'll see. If this inverses, it's probably a failed setup. It looks like it's going to inverse. What do you mean by taking liquidity first and then wait for FEG? Right here, we took out liquidity and then we formed the FEG. Rather than like if we didn't take out the liquidity here and then formed an FEG, I'd be cautious about this. But because we just rated the high, then I can trust this fair value gap more. You clapping in the background? It's not clapping. I think my dad's chopping up some vegetables or some shit. I mean, it's looking like a loss, if I'm being honest. It already should have went lower. ES had the full inversion, but we'll see. Tanya took the same trade. She's trading FOMC morning. Yeah, if we get the order block, I'll lower my stop loss, but we'd have to get the order block. Where's your TP? It's all the way down here. What even is this? It's relative equal lows in the new equal in the org gap. Kind of copying me at this point? Nah, I think it's ICT. Who's Tanya? Just another trader. I mean, we closed below, but yeah, it doesn't look like a good trade. Every time I do people dual stream, how do they do? How do they know what time I'm doing? Some people just have multiple streams open, probably. This looks like an L. It looks like an L for sure. I'm not gonna move my stop, but it's an L. This set doesn't form money, yes? Yeah, but Nasdaq's the weaker asset, so I mean it did form money. I mean, yeah, we have the SMT, but you can open more tabs. It's not a new thing. Bro, don't say that. I mean, it shouldn't be chopping like this. If it's an L, then cash it. Then cash it. Then if you want. Who do you listen to? Me? I don't listen to. I don't. No, I don't. I don't open anyone. Just other people do. I mean, it's all about probabilities. And like the longer we stay in this fair value gap and fail to form the OB, the lower probability that this trade has. It's not zero. I've already accepted the risk, so I'm not gonna close it. Yeah, it shouldn't be consolidating this fair value gap. The whole idea is, what do you think for FOMC? What do you mean? What do I think? Like trading before FOMC or the actual statement, or everyone should take their own trades. Don't even copy Gatie if you trade differently. Yeah, that is true. If you want to improve, let's go. Why the choppy like when you enter this on God is not normal? I don't know, bro. Recently, still a no. Unless we get the order block and we inverse to 5. Like you just gotta see and wait. I thought you were in with 10 minis. Nah, bro. We're on an eval right now, so 10 micros. I would never risk this on my funded even. It's too much. It's too much. It's not a no. No, I didn't say it was a no. But the longer we stay inside this fair value gap, the more and more uh probability gets decreased. Immediate rebalance there, maybe. We go lower. How you finna sell when we're in variation like this? Selling from the daily rejection block. Yeah, simple. What 2022 model is this? That's your market structure tip right there. There's your fair value gap. These are your standard deviations. -2s right there. We'll probably take off something here and then leave the rest to -4. Yes, it's crazy. Yes, it's crazy, bro. Yes, it's crazy. Mhm. We're gonna put in an SMT right now, so I guess that's good. Maybe. I don't understand a word you're saying, but it sounds interesting. Yeah, I mean, I trade ICT concept, so if you don't know what that is, then yeah, it probably sounds like mumbo jumbo. No, you're good, Hamza. You're good. We all got our style. Just looking for a straight reversal here. Obviously, it's the riskiest type of trade you can take, but if this trade plays out, it'll be the greatest risk to reward, you know? Catching the right at the smart money reversal, assuming it is a reversal. You got stopped. That's okay, bro. Next one, bro. If we formed a bullish, yeah, I would. If we formed a bullish fair value gap there, I'd probably close, but we didn't. 1 minute immediate rebalance. I'd want to see that get invalidated right away. So yeah, see how we came back at the immediate rebalance. So far going up. You'd want to see that. Why is market move like that? No shit. When you enter, I never see market actually bullish. It's been pretty rare. Yeah, usually we enter and then we just go into consolidation. You know, it's been happening quite a bit. And I mean, we got the S&T. You know, let's give it a chance. It hasn't been invalidated yet. You know, so the idea hasn't been invalidated, just decreased in probability. But I would, yeah, I mean, it's a risky trade, but I would take it again. Which PD ray is best? The breaker block for sure. Yeah, we have the 5 minute bullish there, so I'll definitely keep an eye out for that. Order flow has definitely been bullish. No, you're right. Order flow has definitely been bullish, brother. I definitely, you know, no one can say otherwise. Order flow has definitely been bullish. Would this even be an order block anymore? I don't even know. We have these relative equal lows. ES tapped into a 1 minute bullish and it's going higher. Why are you shorting? Trying to catch a reversal. 2025 for sure, but let's have it before. Hey, bro, maybe next week. Maybe next week. One guy bought and sold. Let's see who wins. Well, let's see, I guess. Careful, bro. We're on the eval, Michael. Say hello, son. Okay, buddy. We're on the eval, so it's all good. Maybe if we can catch manipulation on the 4 hour power 3. Yep, I think this was the manipulation right here. Well, honestly, do I really think so? No. Maybe like 40% chance. While you waiting, can you play some video games? I mean, yeah, I could if I wanted to, but I gotta respond to these. This week looks like a lot of 1 minute, so maybe better profits. Maybe. I mean, the reversal obviously has a lower chance of hitting. But if it hits, you know, it's good. Be careful, bro. 1 minute. Yeah, it could just be a soup. Choppy. Choppy means like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like it's not doing anything. Oh, that wick is really bad. The fact that that flipped. It's TikTok. Yeah, of course, it's TikTok, bro. You don't think this is choppy by any means? You don't think this is choppy? How is this not choppy, bro? This is like the definition of choppy, bro. Are you in the trade? Yep, we're in the trade right now. Probably no. Probably a no. You know, we're already trading up to mean threshold. How are we gonna take short protection color markets? Just 100%, bro. I only took this on the eval. Why short when the DOL looks all-time highs? Because it's possible it reverses from the daily rejection block and the SMT on the higher time frame daily. It's very possible. What are you trading right now? Micro Nasdaq. Of course, it stops right at the fair value gap. So like, even if I wanted to close it on the inversion, I couldn't. That's funny. But we'll just let it hit the stop if it wants to. Do you think we finish all-time highs on the daily? Yeah, I definitely do. Definitely do. Making a challenge. Make a challenge trading. No. We have one TP. Yeah, I definitely think we can hit all-time highs. Yeah. Make a challenge trading. No reversal. I mean, I don't have a model. I don't have a model that's just like, oh, trade reversal. It's just, this is a smart money reversal. I could have waited for the 5 minute to inverse and then traded the second. Because if we came down here and inverse this 5 minute, that would be your first stage accumulation. So I could just trade that. That's your continuation model. But I mean, it's kind of the same thing. It's the same trade idea. You'd put your stop in the most recent high. You're right. That's not a bad trailed stop, but I'm gonna leave mine on the breaker. I'm gonna leave it on the breaker. What's a smart money? We're talking like a bag load of money type of technique. A smart money reversal basically just means when price goes up, let's say in this case, it went up quite a bit, right? So people who are in these positions long, they're eventually gonna take their profits, right? So if they're gonna take their profits, they're gonna be selling their profits. So when I say selling, I mean taking profits because they're in longs. So they're gonna be selling at old highs. So wherever there was previous stop losses at old highs, that's what they're going to distribute their positions to. Eventually, their positions are going to be completely distributed, and eventually it'll reverse. That's why you call it a smart money reversal, is because smart money distributes their positions to old highs. That's the concept there. This is like awful. This happens so often when I enter a trade nowadays. Like October's been funny. Well, it's November now, but same thing. Hope you win. You a good guy. Are you profitable? My last 200 trades, yeah, but this last month's not been good. So last month, no, we've been negative. Um, last 100 to 200 trades, positive. So if you want to qualify that as profitable, it's up to you. I don't know. I have a profitable strategy. I know that. I just need to execute better. The 4-hour volume imbalance, yeah. This could that has to be a good video. PUV, you finally enter a trade, and this is what the market does. Like it was fine all the time. Like it was fine all the time. You know, but as soon as I what the fuck is this, bro? What's swing trading? Swing trading is when you hold for days. Turn off my PC. Every time I increase my risk, I lose. Trevor, I did the same thing, bro. Trust me, just don't freaking increase your risk. Yeah, you're definitely right, Tito. That's why I only took this on the evaluation account. I didn't take this on the funded. I had the same issues. My entry was too early. If you win full port, I wanted to long duration at 5 minutes. What do you think? It's not a bad. Yeah. So once we hit the 5, I'm gonna reduce my stop for sure. Because if we inverse it, then we're probably good for my TP. If we fail to inverse it, then we know that this was all fake and it was just to accumulate more longs. So it's not a bad idea. I wouldn't put a limit there. I would wait and see. Personally, that's my style. Because it could inverse, like, you know, if you really believe in the bullish bias, then yeah, sure, you can go for the limit order there. But it's dropping. But it's probably. I mean, it could just wick. You know, like, is it finally time? Bro, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 taps into that fair value gap, bro. I was what's going on. Is there a book I can buy? I mean, I have an ebook for free in my Discord. We're about to enter the 5. Liquidity sweep there. I don't like that we swept lower first. You know what I'm saying? All right, there's the 5-minute fair value gap. I'm going to lower my stop here. Stop has officially been lowered. We'll find out real quick. But we managed to reduce risk, so I think almost by half. We need to get through this fair value gap here. Praying for my bro. It's just eval. You know, like, I can tell FOMC better after. Yeah, what are your confidence? Take the short. It's not much for this one. The daily rejection block, 10 a.m. power of 3, and then you got the breaker block, fair value gap, SMT. You went from minus 20 to plus 100 a minute. Cool. When do you pull stop to break even? If we invert the 5, I probably will. I can't do it here. It wouldn't make sense. Price can still do this. It can still go lower from this level right here. No, so I'll reduce it. If I'm right, it shouldn't come back up there. But it doesn't make sense to break even here, you know. Hopefully this acts as a stepping stone to go lower. Why are you shorting on a bullish day? I'm expecting lower prices. And as for it being FOMC, I only took this on an eval account, so I did not take it on. I did not take it on the. This is the daily rejection block. So the body high at the swing high, it tapped right there. I'm expecting it to. I'm not expecting a full reversal. I'm just expecting some lower prices. It could just be this. This could have been it right there, you know. It could literally stop right there, retrace into the 5, and then just go higher, you know. And if so, well, I reduced my risk, took my chances, accepted the risk. It is what it is, you know. Please re-enter. Honestly, I'd probably re-enter long if I get stopped out here. I'd probably re-enter long. We're probably gonna get stopped out here. Because now it's just 5-minute internal. Yeah, see, so we just stopped out. I wouldn't even mind re-entering long right here. Where's how far it stopped? 431, 31.25. It's not even worth it at this point. I don't have a good entry. So I see it came down here. Chill out with the trades. I'm trying to trade this eval, bro. I'm trying to trade this eval. I'm back to long. Looking into the rejection about looking to 4 it ties into. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's going to be all-time high today? Maybe. And lucky, good try. Yeah, it's okay, bro. You know, we accepted the risk. We lowered the risk. We only lost like, I don't know actually, 300. So that's like half. I don't mind this fair value gap though. Something like this. Actually, I'll take the inversion if it taps in. Did I do 4 micros on the first one? All right. We'll go in. We'll take this last trade. Stops going here. That's your breaker block. So let's remove everything. We'll take this. So we got stopped out shorts. It wasn't a full reversal. I'm in long now because we have an AMD power of 3 on our side now with 10:30 a.m. So 10:30 open lower, 5-minute fair value gap, potentially higher. We don't know for sure. But now we have a breaker block, which is what I just entered off of. And we have a unicorn setup. So I'll take this for sure, yeah. I feel like I want enough for AMD. We in these longs together. Let's see what happens. What's unicorn? Unicorn is when there's a breaker block aligned with a fair value gap. So see this fair value gap. Let's mark out this fair value gap for simplicity's sake. Fair value gap, breaker block. They are aligned. We'll just, I don't know, TP here or something like. Give me one account. You can't even do that. That's not something you can do. Like, you wouldn't be able to pass it for me. Back to short. Hey man, if it goes lower now, it's all good. That would be funny. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. What the fuck? I mean, yeah, not over yet, but it's not good. This is exactly why I didn't trade on the funded. Because if I traded today on the funded, I would be tilted right now. No cap. I would be like I'd be frustrated, you know? I feel like anyone would be frustrated. So that's why we're on the eval account. And it's not even with my main firm, so like I really don't even care that much what happens. But yeah, we invalidated the breaker. We're probably gonna inverse this. The morning was beautiful. You went long. I took a long right here off the breaker block unicorn, playing off the idea that this was only a retracement, not a reversal. But anyways, we'll see what happens here. This will be my last trade either way. Probably SL right here. This will be a funny video. I'll post this on TikTok. No stop loss, just let it run, just fucking come all the way there. Are you profitable? My last 200 trades, yeah. Last month, no. Look at the 4 hour imbalance. It's out into 5 minute, didn't close above it. You're talking about the 4 hour imbalance. I'm like all the way there, right? Nope, you're 100% right, bro. FOMC day sucks. FOMC day sucks, right? And if I wasn't live, I wouldn't be trading. Like I bought this account honestly. I bought this account to try and just trade it on these like next couple days, you know, for just so I could trade something on live. But we didn't trade the funded. Probably put our stop loss here. Shouldn't come any lower. Who the fuck is asking the same thing daily? What do you mean? 2, 3. No, I'll keep my stop here. I'll keep it stop there. Oh. Yeah, 100%, bro. Those days are definitely a lot better. If I take another L, I'm done for the day. That's okay, Trevor. Oh, it's TikTok, Sarvan. Should I put the TikTok chat on my chart here? You guys want to see? Next week should be better, but yo, I think if you say you move your stop loss too fast, maybe possible. I'm not even gonna journal these trades, so I think we go up now. Also possible. If we inverse this fair value gap, I'll add 2 positions. If we get the inversion, I'll add 2 positions. Stop loss is going here. What's going on here? We're just trading an eval, J-Weight. What about you, my brother? You got it? That's the inverse. No stop loss? Bro, this guy's trying to maximize my losses, bro. We have to get the inversion. Oh, it's not. That's bad. That's weak. Oh, yeah, super weak. I'm gonna let it get me here. No stop, and you won't get stopped. It's a hack. I mean, eventually you will. It might pop back off that. Maybe, but I doubt it. No TP trail it infinite times. We will dump. I think we're just gonna keep consolidating personally. We had a double purge, so and it looks like it's gonna go lower, but let's trade FOMC. I don't have time to trade FOMC. Otherwise, I would have been live if I was free at 3, like 2 to 3 p.m. If I was like, I'm not gonna be home, but if I was, then yeah, I would just be trading post FOMC. That's like the best time, you know. Probably not gonna add any either. It's already shit. Yo, get this guy out of here, bro. Good pop back. Yeah, I agree with you, Kale. You know, I mean, it was nice earlier. I mean, bro, look at this. You really think? Oh, the Bronx, my hero. Well, that's just MIA. I mean, he's not MIA. We had a long discussion yesterday. I'm waiting for him to get back to me. He hasn't said anything for a while. We'll see if he turns up. Should I get in at 21? If this digs into the inversion, I'll go. Bro, the thing is now, like, bro, that ass is gonna probably just come here. It'll probably just come here, and then just like reverse. I that ass might just close it here if it comes like. Hmm. Buys are buying? Nah, I don't know. Maybe this is shitty price action either way. Like, see, like, bro, everyone who says this shit, get them the fuck out of here, bro. This is no, this is eval. This is eval. Not trading the funded today, bro. I don't trade the funded on FOMC morning. Maybe after FOMC, but not FOMC morning. Who is the market makers? I don't know, bro. I mean, let's see if we just keep rallying. That would be great. I don't even know what I'm targeting at this point. All-time highs, bro. Standard deviations, 1030 manipulation leg. The pump is here. I think there's a chance it just goes lower from the high. If we retouch the daily rejection block. Be calm. Hold for 150 pips. I'm gonna close it somewhere around here, bro. You are welcome. What did you do? TP 30,000. Well, it's just an eval. You know, it's not even like I'm not gonna hold this for long. It's just an eval. Can you look at Discord? This was my entry idea. Are you gonna show me the 0.62? I already know. Yeah, you are. Yep, valid, bro. That's your OTE fair value gap entry right there. 100%. 100% valid. Never inversed this fair value gap, so the trade never got invalidated. This guy was shorting the market. To think this guy was shorting the market. I mean, we were right about the move down, right? It just wasn't a full reversal. So we could have closed the trade there, you know, if I really wanted to. I just didn't. What do you think? What do I think? I think this is a manipulated market, and right now they seem like they have the intention of just pumping it insanely. It depends on how good your internet is, Trey. Is it a MacBook laptop? Just buy one lot and go to Nasdaq. 10 years later, you will see a big profit. Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you guys, bro? Institutional order flow supports long for 100%. Order flow has definitely been bullish. Manipulated market. Yep. And why they hate, bro? Nobody knows the market anyways. That's fine. People are gonna hate, bro. I'm just here to show my journey. 21. Someone said 21 150. Fuck it, bro. Works for me. That's pretty small, bro. I'll send you the entire thing, Paula. Bro, what the fuck is wrong with these people, bro? These guys are weird, bro. Yo, mute anyone that says some weird shit like that. Weirdos, bro. Oh, the hell's going on here? Um, this could very well go to all-time highs. We'd have to hold it the rest of the day. Should I hold this for the rest of the day, guys? How much would it be? Would it like 95? I might deadass hold it for the rest of the day and just like go to the gym. Don't hold, extract your profit. Someone said I would. Let me do some quick maths. Quick maths. About 100 points. Leave the stream on. I'll keep the recording on, but I want to be your TikTok. TikTok's banned itself in India. That's funny. You know it's going up. I think there's a good chance we get to all-time highs. Peel off half? Nah. To be honest, I don't care too much about this account. I'd rather just kind of go for it, you know? If anything, like we could do 21 200 whole number. Go for 2.5. Please give me the account. I can't. It doesn't work like that. If you don't care, remove stop loss. Take partials. If I'm gonna partial this, if I'm being honest, I mean, I would take some at like -2. I would take some at -2. Like I don't really care if I lose this trade. 21178, you said? 50% of that wick daily. Yeah, I was thinking about that too. But I mean, just look at this candle, bro. It's gonna hit all-time highs eventually. In my like, almost certainly, I'd say. You know, maybe not my exact trade, right? It doesn't have to be the trade I just took. But you know what we can do? Like a partial doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to take a partial. You know, break even also doesn't really make sense. I mean, we're forming a 5 minute, so I could reduce my stop a little bit. Like let's say here. Sure. Yeah, it's like the 50% level. I would do more here. And I'll just leave it like this. Probably just gonna leave it like this for the rest of the day. The stop and profit makes sense. Yeah, like for example, let's say I thought, you know what, I don't think this is gonna go any higher. Let me just put my stop loss here. And then if it hits me, well, I secured some profits, you know? That's the kind of idea. It shouldn't come back into this kind of BPR range, so we'll go with the stop there. 2 minute. Yeah, 2 minute. Yeah, that's good. We'll leave it. -2 will after lunch macro. Yeah, it could be like a lunch move, you know? Just TP. Nah. Just when short stop being stuck on the 1 minute, it's holding back your process. Nah. I did, Koala. I just reduced it both times. Originally it was 500. It just got reduced. Reduced. Increase it again. Why would I lower my stop loss, bro? When I say it got reduced, I mean like I brought my stop loss up from the original spot, you know? Like I originally it was 500, then I moved it to here. So it was like 3, now it's 2. So that's why I didn't lose 500 on the first trade. On the first trade, I don't know how much we lost. I don't know. We're up now. So it was like minus 300 or something. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. Where's your TP? It's like right under all-time highs. -3. So we go for the lucky 211121212. Wait, that's such a good number, bro. Let's go for that. 21212. That's funny. Let's do that. 21212. What I expect is, yeah, maybe in the next 6 minutes we can get to -2 standard deviations. Maybe. But the thing is, I literally have to go to the gym and I have to edit a video. So we might just hold this until 11:10 and then just get out. Where's your 10 a.m. open? Let's look at the 10 a.m. manipulation leg real quick. 10 a.m. open. Someone said, "Yep," saying like, yeah, like. I'll look for standard deviation from the 10 a.m. manipulation leg, and we'll just close it somewhere there. That makes sense. That's your highest high. That's your lowest low. That's your -1. You trade gold? No, not really. But I'll go over it for anyone who asks. Like we're probably just gonna close it here. Where's your TP? It was originally all-time highs, but I'm not gonna sit here. What's up, Robbie? Yo, Robbie, I'm just on the eval, bro. Just on the eval. I got my first my fund in futures, Rob. I kind of miss trading on Trade of 8, to be honest. Can't even lie. We're reaccumulating. Eval with who? My fund in futures. It's my first my fund in futures account. So I was like kind of just sending the eval. Originally my stop was like more. What is your ride for trading bullish after reaching all-time highs? It's not a good idea. The only thing I would do, this is a tough trade. Yeah. We took a loss first though, like always. But we'll see. I'm trying to get out of this at like 11:10. And then go make some breakfast and shit. Yo, what happened to Lev, bro? This guy disappeared. Top funded firms you use. I recommend Top Step as number 1. My Fund in Futures as a very close second. It could be number 1. Some people say it's number 1. And then like your number 3 would be number 3 will be might just take off 4 here actually. Because we're gonna get an SMT. Alright. I took off 4. Took off 4. We'll put the rest like here or something, and then I'll just start journaling and shit. We'll leave this here. I'll start journaling and shit, and then I'll just oh wait, I'm not journaling this. This is eval. I don't have anything to do. Top Step? Yeah, Top Step's my favorite personally. Take care, capital. Leave the rest there. I'll probably put 1. I could just trail a stop here too, like fuck it. Like if it wants to expand right at 11, that's great. If not, yep, I know Abdul, I know. I got the levels in here. I know where we're approximately trading towards. 1050 macro, yeah. 1050. Um, there's a macro. There's a fair value gap here. Check 5 minute. Oh, this guy knows what's up. Yeah, you can definitely go 5 minute internal to external. I'd favorite staying open though. But yeah, we could just leave it break even, I guess. The thing is, the break even doesn't make sense. Like, it would need to be like, you know, I could trail the stop. I'm trying to get out of the trade. Like, if I'm being honest, I'm trying to. I don't want to sit here. No, I know it's probably gonna come, and it'll probably come in through lunch. Michael said you made him lose his funding. This guy's a liar, bro. That's a liar, bro. I can't sit here, the whole time. Not today. The 10:55 minute. Yeah, right. The 10:50. Wait, 10:55 minute. Did it hit on Nasdaq? It did. It didn't touch. And like yo, ES is just like still just go break even or how about the screen? The thing is, you can't because let's say it hits my break even, I'm gonna have a sell limit here, and I don't want to end the live. Now I don't you messed up. Now you don't have a stop loss or a TP. Just go manual, bro. That's okay. You gotta go manual sometimes. Um, we can't really hop out the screen. Like I want to be on the live. Wait, hold on. Let me think about what do I actually need to do. Yeah, you can always add it back. So just right click and then put in your order for TP or whatever. Send a chart, YouTube chart, and just try to see the buy limit guts. Set a limit the recent FEG. Now what? Like a buy? I don't think that's just gonna hit. Yeah, you can do it. I mean, yo, should I just start? Should I just start editing my video while I'm on live? Hold on, let me start. I'll just do that. I'll just do that now. I can just do that now. Like, can you review that trade? Yeah, I can review whatever you want. You want me to review this one right here? I'll just start. Set limits, bro, to come on your phone. I'll do what I need to do. Damo, I appreciate you being active and shit, bro. If you want to be a mod, let me know because I need some active mods. I don't know how active you are. I'll just do what I need to do. I need to upload this video. Exactly. If it hits the stop, the sell will stay. You know. I also want to kind of be here. What's a moderator? Someone who's gonna ban all these like trolls in my chat, bro. Where's the video that I recorded yesterday? Bum, 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 bum. I don't know where the video is. I lost it. Oh yeah, it was in my local drive. I'll find it. Yeah, there it is. How do I ban them? I think you just like right click something. I don't know how to do it though. That's why I needed someone to be honest. Okay, this is the video. Let me just double check. If you haven't seen my daily power of 3 video, yeah, I think that's good. I think that's the edited one. Hope one time I posted the unedited one and then it was so bad, but I think this is the correct one. Bro, can I really run 2 streams at the same time and also run 2 streams at the same time and also let's put this right here. This is the only place that actually makes sense. Two streams at the same time. Best day for me. I'm up 2K on my phone with that move versus only 300. Nice, bro. Yeah, it might smoke my PC. Exactly. Might smoke my PC. So maybe I'll just like set it up and then run it after. We tapped into the 5 there. FOMC, be careful. Actually, let me put this. Yeah, I'll put it here. If it's bullish, it'll stay in the upper quadrant. I mean, the thing is, like, it's probably gonna hit my stop loss and continue. Like, my stop is not safe. Actually, yes, looks pretty good. We could just close it here. FOMC is a very, yeah, very, yo, maybe I'll trade this account on my phone during FOMC and then just send it. Closed and go gym. Yeah, my stop loss not safe, so. But I'm not gonna risk profits on this one. I took the entry off at 5 minute gap and 947 close at 1050. Beautiful, bro. That's really beautiful. Look, that we almost hit -1 perfectly. You closed. Close, get another. You're saying I should closing another entry? I definitely don't want to be here any longer than after this. But yeah, that does make sense. That would kind of make sense in a situation like this. We're forming the 15. We already tapped into the 10. Now, this is my funded futures, but all my funded accounts are with Top Step. I might close this. Turtle soups are nice, bro. If you're really good at turtle soup, then that's really good for you, bro. That's a really good entry. If you were like, if you can get precise with it. I'll probably just close this. Let's put the stop here. I'm gonna close it there. I'm gonna close it there. I'll just take, because now I think we're break even on the day. Would I re-enter this? Nah. Nah. I don't want to hold this through lunch. It's already like a iffy day to trade. We'll just take that win, and that's good, you know? That's good stuff. That's good stuff. Did it play out? Yeah, we took profits there, but obviously we're not. I'm not gonna. What makes the day iffy? Okay, let's just go over this so everybody knows, because I feel like some people are not aware of what's going on. So this is the economic calendar. You can view this, and you should view this every single day. You see this right here? This says FOMC statement and FOMC press conference and the federal funds rate. This basically means at 2 p.m. today and then 2:30 p.m. today, there's going to be a very important meeting with the federal something money, people who talk about the federal rates and stuff. Like, it's a Fed meeting, all right? It's some important shit. The Fed chair is going to be speaking and all that stuff. So usually, the New York session is going to look very difficult, sloppy, whether it's like really choppy or like it's not going to be regular algorithmic delivery, right? The reason being is they're going to save the interest for this time. Because you'll see when look at 2:30 on the charts today. Look from 2:30 to 3:30. You're going to see something like this. Like, it could be like this. It'll look something like this probably. In my opinion, they might save it for all-time highs then, so maybe we'll just come back here, do whatever. And then at PM session, you're gonna see the big spike, So I don't think they want to run it, right? They want to run it later. It's kind of the idea. So it's already iffy to think like, oh, that we can actually come up here in this exact trade. Like it's already kind of a reach because of the day. Someone said, what am I looking for with these standard deviations? So it's standard deviation projections from the 10 a.m. manipulation. So this 10 a.m. candle, so let's mark this. Let's delete everything. Let's do it on the 3-minute. Might be a little bit easier to see. So 10 a.m. open is right here. I want to see the manipulation like, so if I'm going to try to project how high the 10 a.m. candle can expand, I want to look at manipulation from below 10 a.m. So this is your lowest low. This is your highest high. So 10 a.m. after 10 a.m. the move down from high to low. See how far we can go up from the hourly candle. This is your hourly candle manipulation. So open and then low, high. So you want to see how high can it go, right? So we got to pretty much -1. So -1, what does that mean? It means double. So if we have this range so far, we doubled it on the other side, you know? It's double the range. That's what -1. That makes sense? Yeah, I have a video on standard deviations if you don't understand. It's a pretty good video. You should use it for sure. And it's good. Another thing you can do is the 1030 candle, right? Which is another reason I was like taking profits there. Same thing. So this 1030 candle, I'll just mark it like this. This 1030 candle right here, yeah, it's on my YouTube. This 1030 candle right here, it opened right here. It went down. You have a very clean manipulation. So if 1030 is going to expand, how high can it expand? Well, let's see. You would expect at least it to expand 1 times, right, the move that it manipulated. Because if it's going to accumulate, manipulate, distribute at 1030, so this is 1030 manipulation, and then it's going to distribute, it should at least distribute a little bit greater than 1 times its manipulation, right? So basically, we manipulated 30 points to the downside, right? Therefore, if we're going to distribute, it should be at least 30 points to the upside. So at least here. So where is always a good safe TP? Like -1 to -1.5. Because if it's gonna distribute, it should be more than the manipulation, right? It's not gonna look like this, right? It's not gonna manipulate and then just do this. That's not a distribution. That's just consolidation at that point, you know? It doesn't make sense. So if it's gonna distribute, it'll come to at least -1. Usually it'll be even more than -1 because it should be larger than this. Did you say the thing you needed to say for TikTok? No, not much happened, bro. Like, I don't know. I closed it and stops prof, and I closed it and stops, you know. And then on really good days when you're expecting large expansion, whatever, -2 to -3, you do the same thing, right? If it's gonna double the distribution, then you expect it to hit -2 and a little bit more. So you just look at the 50% level. And then if it's gonna triple, -3, your largest expansions tend to be like -4, but obviously it can go forever. And you can apply this on any time frame. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. So this is Wednesday's manipulate. The thing is, like, it's not clean because this is like Wednesday's manipulation leg. So if Wednesday opened right here, the high to low manipulation, now you could do it like this. But if Wednesday manipulated right here, 15-minute chart, where's your -1? Right there. We doubled this move plus a little bit. It's not as clean there. You need to really find a clean time-based manipulation. Like, for example, like it's not even clean there as well, but because usually you want to see a manipulation from a certain time level. So like how I did it here with 10 a.m. Why you entered the short, bro? Can you show? Yeah, I got you. I'll show you why we took a short. So this is a daily rejection block. So this is why we entered shorts. Now, it's not the highest probability short. This is like maybe 30% or 40% chance in terms of probabilities, but I'll take it anyways. We hit the daily rejection block, and we've been in a deep premium. So if we're expecting a potential reversal here, you want to see lower prices after hitting the rejection block. So we got a really good setup. We got a bearish breaker. right? That's your breaker block. This is your fair value gap. So you had a good setup here. So we entered off the rejection block. 10 a.m. potential reversal is what we're looking for. I'm gonna make another breakfast after, Trevor. Small one, maybe like cereal. Or like I'm pretty full if I'm being honest. Daily rejection block, unicorn setup, rejecting. So we're expecting a potential 10 a.m. reversal, right? Now it did go lower, and I don't know if you guys were paying attention, but I said we're gonna come to this 5-minute. You can say that with pretty good confidence because even if we're not gonna reverse, it's very likely we're at least gonna retrace, you know? So we ended up just getting a retracement. We never actually had the reversal. So in hindsight, I could have broke even here to be super safe. We pretty much lowered our stops anyway, so like we saved on like 5-10 points. So we lowered our risk. We knew it was gonna come here. If it got through here, like if it kept going below like this, that would have confirmed the reversal. So you have two ways. You can either wait for that, or you can try to take the riskier entry here. If it plays out, you make more money, but if you lose, and you lose more money, but if it wins, you make more. But you have a less chance of it playing out. Exactly. If you waited for the 5, you would have got a better, like a more confirming entry, right? Now, I take both. I'm happy to take either. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll take this and then break even. Yeah, I thought it was gonna reverse, you know, like I was ready. I didn't think like with good percentage chance. Can you send me the clip right now? Where can I send it to you? Yeah, that's valid, bro. You know what? You could have taken profits there. Like what was that entry? Like stop was here. Shit, I'm doing it the wrong way. Like the trade went up to like it's not the best. But you got 1 to 1.2. It's not bad, you know? We could have taken profits if we wanted to. 1 to 1.2, you know? It's not the worst. Right? If you put your stop here, there's your 1 to 1.8. You know, it's not bad. What's up, Zach? We took a loss and then we made it back. Pretty much break even day for me. We entered long. I was short. I went short initially here. Hit the daily rejection block. I was like, maybe we go lower, but then I realized, you know, we hit the 5-minute fair value gap, and we inverse this. You entered. Yeah, honestly, bro, when I was in this trade at this point, I was like, it definitely could come out and just go back lower. But then, I don't know. I saw the 5-minute. Oh, good job, bro. That's all you gotta do, you know? Like, very difficult day. Like, very difficult day. You know? FOMC, all that stuff. So, I only traded on the eval today. So, I didn't trade on my fundeds. So, I'm glad, honestly, I'm glad I don't have to journal this. Me too, bro. Me too, to be honest. And I would never do it on my funded. Personally, I would never. Keep pushing. Appreciate you, bro. Nope, I did not check Discord. I don't know where to send the clip. Someone said check Discord. Where am I checking? Market maker sell. That is, yep, very clean, bro. Low resistance liquidity run. Looks like you shorted the inversion and a breaker. Not the cleanest breaker, but it's there. And then you got the re-entry. That's really good, bro. Go on work upload. What's work upload, bro? You're just making stuff up, bro. Work upload? Are you a human? Bro, listen. I got you, bro. I know what to do, bro. Just relax. I got you. Just wait one moment. All right? It's uploading. It's uploading. I think. Is there another way to join Discord? The link tree isn't working. Is it still not working? Bro, why is that shit so ass, bro? Someone else DM me saying it's not working, bro. What's wrong with this thing? Let's figure it out right now. If you see my YouTube, the link in the Discord link in my YouTube channel, that one should work. Bro, I don't get it. Like this doesn't work. I don't know. For me, it always worked. Um, yeah, I mean, yeah, I can just send the link here, but like you can't. You have to like type it out. So shit, bro. Did it upload? Let me check. It said 8 minutes left. So I'm gonna upload a YouTube video today. You'll leave some for the rest of us, koala. It's going crazy. All right. Hopefully that works. Yeah, I know. If you go to my YouTube too, you'll see it there. The YouTube one's pretty good. Like it should work. Oh, the best entry long. Yeah, if you took longs early, then good for you. You know, that was a nice move. Not my model, but definitely could have like seen it. Like it could have played. I mean, it did play. Definitely a place, yeah, you can enter. That's valid. So I'm just posting a video. Um, okay. If anyone has questions, you know the drill. Now's the time. Um, so we're break even on the day, 1-1, plus $60 on the My Fund of Futures account, evaluation account. Yo, wait, is it a monthly fee? Yeah, we gotta full port this shit. Yo, tomorrow we're gonna try to full port this account. Um, try to speed this up, and we'll trade on the funded tomorrow. Probably gonna be looking for shorts tomorrow. TGIF setup. We'll go from there though, for sure. So, if you wanna watch me trade live tomorrow, and watch me full port tomorrow, and trade on my funded at the same time, I'll be here live tomorrow. Myso, homie, Hakeem, our friend Hakeem. That you, Hakeem? Hakeem, that you? Nah, that ain't Hakeem. What's good, Myso? What's good, Myso? Oh, Hakeem's your boy? Thought Hakeem was my boy. How many logs? What do you think? I mean, it's definitely possible. We can run the buy side. Oh, no, that's Hamid, bro. How much should the beginners put in stock? If you're a true beginner, I would just do one of those automatic accounts. Long till 21 too. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. If you have a good entry, like you can hold it for sure. You know? I definitely think today we're probably gonna hit this. Like, So if you have a good safe entry, it's not bad. Um, just not my style. How was your day, Myso? Myso's the fucking homie, guys. Have some fun. I got a lot of ads in the Discord. I gotta help out these people. Amazing, bro. Cut the long from the breaker mitigation. Bro, let's fucking go, bro. You sell a mentorship? Nah, not right now. Yo, are you gonna trade ICT? Not ICT, bro. Are you gonna trade FOMC, bro? I'm down to run an FOMC. Fuck no, I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna be out. You see fashion? Oh, did they actually? That's funny as fuck. How do you see all time high? Why do I think we're gonna go there? You mean? Because we're so fucking close, bro. It's right there, you know. We're probably gonna hit it. Literally right there. I had a couple of things I gotta do today. Looks like we're running out of questions. People slowly fading away. Another good day. Another good live. I might full port FOMC. Is NDX a good stock? Why is your chart so far behind? I don't know. This is the weekly chart, bro. So that's probably why. It's live data, bro. It literally can't be any better than this. They locked up the Discord server and CEO deleted his damn. FOMC long or short. Do the opposite of whatever 2 p.m. candle does. You got like a 70% hit rate with that strategy. That's crazy, bro. They really rug pulled, huh? They probably started losing too much money, bro. They're like, fuck it, we're out. Or they saw the numbers were like they saw the numbers, they're like, yo, this isn't gonna work. Bro, that's what every prop firm does, bro. Like the only reason these big ones haven't done it yet is because they're just making money still, you know? Bro, I promise you, if they start losing money, they're gonna fucking pull that shit. Especially a brand new prop firm. Because let me tell you guys something, bro. These new prop firms, when they start out, they don't have that much money, bro. They have like a little bit of reserve for payouts, and then they just pay out with what they make. Because they make so much, they don't need to invest that much, you know? But if people start using them and they start getting too big payouts, they just rug pull that shit, bro. Shit's ass, bro. You might trade after FOMC. If you're gonna trade FOMC, I'm gonna say this to all the homies, because I care about you guys. First of all, be cautious because it's very volatile. Large risk, large candles. Um, what I recommend, it's gonna open at 2 p.m. right here. So it's just gonna be like this is 150. 2 p.m. You're probably gonna see a huge move, right? And then it'll do whatever, maybe something like this, whatever. Okay. And then 2:30 is gonna come. You're gonna see another big move, and usually that will be the real move. Okay. So just know that usually, not always, usually, 70% of the time out of like, I'd say maybe 50 FOMCs, maybe a little bit more that I checked. And this is what everyone's kind of strategy for it is too, in terms of ICT. 2 p.m. will give a fake move. 2:30 will give a real move. Your safest bet, and this is what I do, is I wait for 250 macro to play off of the predetermined, like, you know, like the 250 macro usually will deliver. Yeah, 245 is not bad. You could look for 245, maybe a 15-minute open low high or something. I usually wait till 250 macro. I try to catch a small move in that macro. Usually it's pretty volatile, and that's it. A lot of the time you miss the move by then, because usually it'll form like right at 230. Like literally 230 will come. You'll get like a bullish fair value gap or something, and it'll just go. Usually that's what happens. But sometimes if you get lucky, like you get like a retracement at 250 and then uploaded. Probably. Let me check. Uploaded. Yeah. So let me send this to you. Hold on. Uh, TJR has too much influence right to rug pull. TJR's new prop firm. I don't know. I don't fucking know, bro. Paula, can you send me your email again? Look, I don't know. I'll tell you one thing though, he probably making a hell lot of money with that shit. Bro, I don't know what workload is, bro. That shit don't work, bro. I use TopStep. Yeah, TopStep's mine. And I also use my funded future. I mean, I just started my funded futures. Bro, just send me your email. I'll literally send it to you right now, bro. I'll send it to you right now, bro. My guy. All right. You gotta download it though. Yeah. I just honestly I got the My Funded Futures eval just to full port it this week. But we ended up breaking even on both full but like half ports. I don't full port, I half port. But we pretty much got a break even, so we haven't really went anywhere. So now I'm kinda stuck. I was hoping to be done with this account, but now we kinda have one. So I guess we'll just go for it. You got a call, missed a whole bunch. I was just saying, like, usually what happens is 2:30 will be the real move. So 2 p.m. and then literally right at 2:30 you'll see like a series of candles or one large candle, and then it'll be in that direction. So how do you mark standard deviations? Every situation is different. It depends what you're trying to project exactly. There's many ways. It's always going to be from a high to a low. You just need to know which one, right? I have a full video on it if you want me to, like go over that. If you want to know how I used it today, I marked the full standard deviations from this candle. Sorry, this candle to this candle. This is your 1030 manipulation. So you can see we doubled this move and a little bit. And then in 30 minutes, in a 30-minute time window. Like that's the key, right? Look at that. The 11 a.m. put it perfectly right there. So different every time. Teach me how to trade. I mean, it's going to take a while, but I can help. Me too. You guys can join the Discord, shoot me a message. I'll teach you what you need to do to learn. Yeah, all-time highs probably today. Yeah. Like I can teach you how I learned. That's what I can do. Break even for the day? Yep, or break even on the day for the eval as well. Someone said gold daily CB. There's no daily CB yet. It's forming still. Maybe tomorrow. We talked about this, We have the breaker. Remember yesterday we said it's probably going to go to previous day equilibrium. And if you're good, you can get the breaker. You can short off the breaker. Or you can wait and see if it forms a daily CB, and then we enter the daily CB. We winning right now? I don't know what that means, but let's fucking get it, bro. All right. Seems like everyone's fading out. I'm going to be live tomorrow again, same time. If you're in the live, leave a like for your boy. All right. We'll be live again tomorrow, trading the funded accounts tomorrow. Probably going to be looking for shorts. Hopefully we get a nice TGIF. Like I like this weekly candle. Hopefully we get like a really nice TGIF, something that looks like something that looks like this. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. Take care, Adam. See you tomorrow, my brother. Sarvan, see you tomorrow, my man. Koala, I'll message you. Guru, Trevor, peace out, my brothers. Everyone on TikTok, your boy signing out. I'll be live tomorrow, same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. I'll trade the fundeds tomorrow. We're also gonna trade the My Funded Futures eval. Yesterday 9 likes, today 9 same. Guys, put on some like. Appreciate you, Sarvan. All right, boys. Your boys out of here.